One day in 2016, a friend of mine, Mihir, proposed a trip to Bhutan. We were 11 of us to plan the trip, but in the end, only 6 were willing to go. It all began in Kharagpur, the place where we were raised for the last 3 years. On 29th of April, we packed our bags and were set to go to Bhutan. This was the course charted for our trip. We left Kharagpur on 29th in the afternoon 2:30. We travelled by the local train to Howrah station. Then we took an Uber to Sialda station. From Sialda, we had to catch a train at 8:30 p.m. Kanchan Kanya Express, which would take us directly to Hasimara, a 16-hour journey. From Hasimara, you have an half an hour ride to the border town of India, Jaigaon, which is the official road entrance into Bhutan. We did not do our homework back then. We did not know that we were heading into the only carbon negative country in the world. It's the country where the politicians and the officials don't take the decisions based on gross national product. Rather, the decisions are taken on gross national happiness. We did not know this back then. So this vlog is our journey as we discovered Bhutan. We are quite late. We are leaving IIT Kharagpur right now. It's very humid here. We are expecting cool days in Bhutan. Okay, let's go.
Tell a friend and tell his girl I'm on the way. Up on display, put her on display and pray I make it out okay.
Okay, we left the station at 7 p.m. We are already late for Sialda and we will reach Sialda by like in half an hour. And what time is it?
7:35.
It's already 7:35 and our train is at 8:30, right? 8:30. So we have around 1 hour. Let's see.
Cause it's a one-way trip, one ticket, one chance. Gotta make it all legit and hear me call it in advance. Gotta stack my chips high in the sky, building myself a castle in the class before I die. I'm on a ride, I'm on inside, and all the out I'm looking fresh. Blessings into my debt, keep it real with every family. March as strong as we progress.
Reach Sialda at 7:45. On time. Before time. Nahin, front time.
And all I know now is I got it, now I got it on a one-way trip, on a wave now. And I don't know how, but I got it too exotic, tripping homie, we don't play around. I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now. I'm singing never look down to the ground, no way now. A one-way trip, I'm on a one-way trip, on a one-way trip away now.
What have you got for us right now? What is this?
Shopping, window shopping, and these two.
This is bullshit.
Good. What? अभी हम लोग तुम्हारे क्या लिए बहुत है 80 रुपए
These are for 80 rupees kilo. Okay, 80 rupees per kg.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
Seriously, 80 rupees per kg. Everybody is up. Let's go.
नाम लिया क्या?
This is का
जंक्शन.
Okay. This is Numan Junction. Numan Junction.
न्यूमाल जंक्शन.
Numal Junction. मैं ढूंढ रहा था, मेरे को मिला नहीं. That's it. Our train is leaving. Bye. आपका नाम क्या है?
कामिनी. काम खत्म.
That's it. She took her identity as you went. No, Nishan, I'm not interested in it. Nobody is interested in it.
But what Ganju Das?
Nobody is interested. Ganju is not interested in it. डॉबी को नहीं आता. डॉबी बिहारी स्टाइल में मत कर. One thought he's going to get some cool water, cold and nice water other than the train's water. And he's getting some. There's no water in the train. That's fun. Varun has got no water to wash his mouth off. Come on, Varun, you can find some water. Finally getting down at Hashirama. No, Hashimara. It's Hashirama. I'm confusing it with Naruto's Hashirama.
Where you at? Flying higher than a jet. If you're looking, you can find me moving product on the back.
Oh, finally. We called a few people, we had the contacts. We took them from our contacts.
We called some contacts, we got some contacts.
We did bargain for some time. Then we got to know that there was of no use bargaining.
अब ये चाय है ना ये तो
Tea plantation है क्या? Oh, all of this is tea plantation. And with us we have our driver Pasang. दादा हाय कर दो.
हाय.
दादा का But now we have a 1 hour drive from here to border, right?
Yeah.
And we'll be booking our hotel there. We'll stay there for tonight. Anyways, we meet. Punchuling.
यहाँ पे कोई सिनेमा हॉल है क्या?
सिनेमा हॉल
बाहुबली देखते.
बाहुबली
क्या ही करेगा?
हिंदी नहीं लगेगा
यहाँ पर हिंदी नहीं लगता.
नो हिंदी यहाँ पे हिंदी नहीं लगेगा.
हिंदी नहीं लगेगा. खाली भोटिया भी नहीं लगता.
And the worst part was we miscalculated some things, like the immigration office is closed today.
Sunday and because of me.
जयगांव में हिंदी
क्या था?
जयगांव में लगता है.
जयगांव अच्छा
ओके
जयगांव में सिनेमा हॉल.
जयगांव में ओके
इसको बताएंगे तो
ओके ओके एक्साइटेड क्वाइट pumped to see Bhutan.
जलपाईगुड़ी है.
नहीं, this is not जलपाईगुड़ी. Hashimara.
जलपाईगुड़ी लिखा हुआ है.
This guy is from Bihar.
This guy is in
Bihar से. Anyways, so let's have some fun. Woo, excited.
And all I know now is I got it now. I got it on a one-way trip on a wave now. And I don't know how, but I got it too exotic. Tripping, homie. We don't play it.
That is the Bhutan gate. If you can see it, that is the Bhutan gate. Yeah. And we will be living somewhere here in these hotels. Let's see.
बॉर्डर के कहाँ से ले लेना?
चलो दादा बाय. चल Probably somewhere here or there.
Jaigaon. We are in Jaigaon.
Where are we?
We are in Jaigaon.
I'm on a one-way trip away now. I'm singing never look down to the ground, no way now. A one-way trip. I'm on a one-way trip away now. I'm on a one-way trip away now. One-way trip.
We are digging, boys. Hi guys, hope everybody enjoyed the video. We would be coming with 4 to 5 more episodes of this vlog, and thank you for tolerating the bad footage. All the footage was shot on mobile phones, on a Vivo V3 Max and a Moto G4 Plus with a foggy lens. and do comment down below your favorite part of the vlog or any questions that you have for me regarding anything. I would be happy to answer them. I know this episode of the vlog was not that informative. It was more of time lapses, but don't worry, in the subsequent vlog episodes I will be more informative, more conversations will take place and less of time lapses, more of Bhutan. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and do watch the next episode.
And all I know now is I got it, now I got it on a one-way trip, on a wave now. And I don't know how, but I got it too exotic, tripping homie, we don't play around.